Let's learn something together. This is a 2012 Nissan Altima. We're going to read the trouble codes. As you can see here, we have a check engine light, and we also have a tire pressure sensor. We're going to fix both of those things. Maybe not in this video, but we'll fix them eventually. We're reading the code. It's raining. It's raining right now. P0101 master volume airflow sensor. Okay, remember this, mass airflow sensor. I'm sorry it's very loud out there. The mass airflow sensor does just that. It senses how much air is going into the air-fuel mixture. Did you know that the ideal ratio of fuel to air in a gasoline engine is 14.7 to 1? That's 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel by mass. So how does the mass airflow sensor do its job? How does a device sense how much air is going into the engine? Here's a mass airflow sensor, and what happens is there's an intake here, so air goes through this little window as it goes to the engine, and there's a wire in here, and that wire heats up to a specific temperature. Now, the reason that the wire heats up is because electricity is going into the wire. The car is feeding electricity through the wire to get it to act at a certain temperature, to get it to be a certain temperature. The air coming into the intake right here cools the wire. Because the wire has been cooled, the car has to work a little bit harder to maintain the wire's temperature. So in that way, the car is able to measure how much air is going into the mass airflow sensor, and therefore measuring how much air is going to the engine. Our first move is to remove the mass airflow sensor and see if it's dirty. As well, we need to look at the air filter and see if it's dirty. If either of these two things are dirty, then neither of these things are going to work. Stay tuned.